Hi, my name is Dave Parmley. I'm the president of Wepco Plastics. We're a short-run custom injection molder. We do low volume and prototype work. We don't make millions of parts. We make 100,000 or less for Fortune 500 companies to people with an idea off the street. We specialize in product development. So if someone has an idea, they come to us, and it could be something drawn on a napkin, and we'll take that and we'll work with the customer to develop their product. We'll take it to a design phase, and once the design is roughed in, we'll bring it to a 3D printing house. We'll have prints made, do testing, make adjustments, and so on until the product is where it needs to be for the customer. And then we'll take that and we'll build injection molds and run their parts for them.
I'm Steve Cronenberger. I am an associate mold designer and a product designer here at Wepco Plastics. Recently, we've been just really getting into product design, and it's just a very exciting time to be a part of a company and be able to help customers with developing whatever design they have. After the design is done and leaves my computer, it's not done for a while. What it goes out to is the tooling floor, and it's just amazing to be able to see a design that you have created from scratch and then see the inverse of it out on the floor and see it being cut into metal, and just being able to inspect it with these guys who have been doing it forever. And they're able to tell me like certain things need to change or certain things have to be this way. So it's always a back and forth and give and take with designing and tooling, and especially molding, because there's certain things that you're sitting at the computer and you're like, I know the basics, but talking with experts, their experience is invaluable.